Hi, this video is about using the normal distribution. So it says the weight W of bags of rice follow a normal distribution with a mean of 100 grams and a standard deviation of 4 grams. It says find the probability of a bag of rice chosen at random weighs between 990 grams and 1004 grams. So we want we know that the weights are normally distributed with a mean of 1000 and standard deviation 4 or variance 4 squared. We need the probability that the weights lie between 990 and 1004. Good idea to draw a diagram. Just do a quick sketch. The means in the middle, standard deviation right down. Mark on 990 is over here and 1004 over here. We're after the area here in the middle. To do that, we need to go to our GDC, go to a calculation mode, press menu, number 5 probability, number 5 distributions, and go to normal CDF. We're never going to use PDF, CDF, and put the lower bound in to be 990, the upper bound to be 1004, the mean to be 1000, and the standard deviation to be 4, and press OK, and you get an answer of 0.83513. So write down, there's a screenshot, write down the full calculated value and then round it off correct to 3 significant figures, 0.835. Right, next part. It says 95% of the bags weigh less than K grams. Find the value of K. So W is normally distributed with a mean of 1004 standard deviation. We want the probability that W is less than K is equal to 0.95. So it's a good idea to draw a diagram. So start with that diagram. We know from here, from minus infinity up to the mean, this area here is 0.5. We want it to be 0.95, so we need to draw up my line somewhere over here. Call that K, and we need to find that area here we know is equal to 0.95. We need to find the value of K that goes with it. To do that, we go back to my GDC. I'm just going to take a new page. So, and then do menu, number 5 probability, number 5 distributions. This time we're given the area and we have to come up with the value of W. So it's inverse normal, number 3. This one here, inverse normal. And the area is 0.95. Inverse normal gives you the area from minus infinity up to a point. You put the mean being 1000 and the standard deviation being 4, and press OK, and we get an answer of 1006.5794. There's the screenshots for that. And K will be equal to 1006.5794 grams. Write down the full calculated value, then round it off. If you round it off to 3 significant figures, it's going to be 1010. It's a little bit like a gross approximation, so I left it as 1007 grams. Right, in the next question, we're going to need to use this idea in the next question. It says for a bag chosen, the probability of being 1000 minus a value of A less than W is less than 1000 plus value of A is equal to 0.9. Find the value of A. So again, W is normally distributed with a mean of 1000, standard deviation of 4. Very, very important to draw the diagram. Right, so we want 1000 less than the value of A, which we'll put over here. And then 1000 plus the value A we put over here. We know that that shaded area is equal to 0.9. Right, because this is symmetrical, this distance and this distance, this area here has to be 0.05 and this area here has to be 0.05 because the total area must add up to 1. So, if we use inverse norm, we need to find the value of W such that the probability less than 1000 plus A, this value must be 0.9 plus 0.05, which is 0.95. We just worked that out in the previous part, that is 1006.5794. So therefore 100 1000 plus A must be equal to 1006.5794 grams, which means that A must be 6.5794 grams, and rounded off to 3 significant figures, it means that A has to be 6.58. That 9 makes it 7 and 8 grams to 3 significant figures. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use the normal distribution to answer a question at math studies level. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.